gonna try a first bite.
Oh.
It's amazing. Trust me, it's better than you think. Almost nobody has real things in the Netherlands. I still have it. Where are we from? Hola, Colombia. It's een queso artesano. Dos, tres meses is pimienta. Muy rico. So the real stuff, we call it or tradition cheese or Gouda cheese. Because it's the Gouda cheese of the Netherlands. How is it made? Ordeña di vaca. En die leche limpio. If you milk cows, what's the most important part is that got us 9 degrees. Then we put 2 things in the milk. Yes, ladies, come close. The water part, we give it back to the small baby cow. They drink it, they love it, and we call it recycling. Now, by the cheese, we put spicy, like bawang.
I know, yes, and onion.
Toon. Where are we from?
India.
Oh, kali mirch.
Yes.
So we put black pepper in there. Yes. Or mustard. Or garlic.
Okay.
No more kissing cheese. Yeah, we mix the spicy in the curd. Press it in models. For how long? About 5 hours pressing. Then I got small model for tourist people, and I have big model for local Dutch customer. Now the part what nobody tells you. This part. I don't. I just store them like this. The water in the cheese goes out. If it's cold, go slow. That's the fridge. If it's hot, like this, it goes quick and your hand feels a little bit oily. That is aging process. So aging process goes quick when it's warm and it goes slow when it's cold. Turn the cheese every week and they stay good for 10 años. 10. And the rest we export. Yes, young lady, you can tell me it's not fair. Say it's not fair. And I'm gonna tell you it is fair. And why is it fair that it's not for export? I go to tradition fairs. It doesn't matter what you make, or you make cheese or something else. It even doesn't matter where it's made. The Netherlands, España, India, and even now in China. Tradition things are always made by
Hand.
Exactly. If it's made by hand, then it's totally no export. If it's industry, simply always for export. Until we have an exception in the market. And that's me. What I do, man, I make loads and loads with my colleague, little cheeses. And where do we store them? In the fridge. Frigerator. I don't. I just store them like this. The water in the cheese goes out. If it's cold, go slow. That's the fridge. If it's hot, like this, it goes quick and your hand feels a little bit oily. That is aging process. So aging process goes quick when it's warm and it goes slow when it's cold. Turn the cheese every week and they stay good for 10 años. 10 years. Tradition cheese, no temperature, no expiry date. No, it's okay. Yes. 8 years old. 1 till 10 years. 1 anno till 10 años. Con rayar, pasta. This is like parmesan. 6 meses con quinoa. And 2 months on bread. So I got it for bread. Pan. 6 meses vino. 6 months by wine. 1 anno till 10 años. Rayar, pasta. Always cut it one side. Yes, America, eat. No? Yes, eat. You don't like cheese? It's the stuff of the Netherlands.
It's spicy.
Are we vegetarian?
No.
Oh, this is non-veg. Kali mirch.
Non-veg means?
No, it's okay. If you're non-veg, you can eat it. With
Thank
black
you.
pepper. And you look very skinny. You must eat more cheese. Come on, eat. And where are we from? Hola, Mexicano! Oh, that's nice. Very happy woman from Mexico.